What is going on, you guys? Something a little bit different today. We are not actually going to be working on the 19 Mustang. We are going to be working on 2007 Mustang GT here. It's actually not my Mustang. It is my buddy's, so I told that I was going to install some new headlights on there for him. Oh gosh, look at those things. So yeah, we're going to install some new headlights, new fog lights, and see what else we can get. So let's go ahead and get this car jacked up, and let's get started. We got the car jacked up, got the wheels taken off. I started taking off these 2 bolts. So let's go ahead and finish getting these inner bolts out here. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2 push pins, so we can go ahead and pull this back so we can get to the bolt holding in the bumper. So we're going to just use a screwdriver and take these bolts out. Oh. Well, interesting. We'll come back to that then. Got 1 push pin here. Got those 2 there. Let's hop on the other side here. There we go. We have 2 10mm bolts right there. And then we have our side marker light. Let's go ahead and unplug that. Okay, we can just untwist these bulbs out. I forgot. These aren't like the new ones. And then let's go do the same thing on the other side. We got those out. Now let's get our 10mm bolts right here. Beautiful. Just picked up this Husky tool last night as well, and don't judge me, but it's doing the job great right now. Pull that side out there. Pull this side out here. And then lift it up on these tabs. Beautiful. Wish the S550s were this easy. Sweet, fog lights are unplugged, and wow, easiest bumper removal ever. Now that we got that out, let's go ahead and get the headlights out, and then we should basically be done, and then start installing the other parts. I need a flathead. There we go. Unplug this guy here. Boom, done. Headlights removed. So this connector, I assume, plugs directly into the OEM connection. Oh, that's gorgeous. Now all we have to do is wire these so that they're daytime lights. So I think 1, 2, we're gonna have 3 wires going in because we're also going to be doing fog lights as well. So let's go ahead and unbox the fog lights. If I'm not mistaken, I believe these are side specific. Go ahead and remove this fog light here. That was literally it, okay. I don't know if he wants to hold on to that, but we'll keep that in good shape. And then, I don't remember how this was oriented. Okay, let's figure this out. So the plug goes inner, okay. Now we're going to unplug these here so we don't have to worry about damaging those. So what we're gonna do, these are for the fog lights, and these headlights also have, where is it? Also have 2 wires coming out, but with these, they both are getting wired to the same harness. So what we are going to do is we are just going to tie them all together and use butt connectors to get everything. Oh look, it even comes with crimps. That's so sweet of them, but I think I'm gonna use butt connectors instead. So let's just go ahead and put everything in here. Plug this guy in. Get a bolt to hold this baby down. So this right here is the one that we're gonna be cutting. Yeah, it's definitely the one we're gonna be cutting. Let me go ahead and put in the bolt for the headlight first so we can just hold this guy in here. And then we are going to go ahead and just finish the install up. Okay, wanna make sure that was going in. Now that that is done, now we go ahead and get to our wiring. Let's go ahead and put the fog lights in now. This was the driver's side. So maybe this isn't the driver's side. Okay, so this is the passenger side. Now let's get the other side. Way better compared to before. I'm gonna go ahead and do the wiring now. Here's how we're gonna do it. So this is actually, I'm gonna mount this probably, yeah, right there works actually. Yep, I'm probably gonna mount that right there. Then same thing, vice versa, other side. All right, got those cleaned up. Now, we're going to do our wiring. Perfect, so we got this here. All we're going to do is cut it about right there. That looks good. Go ahead and strip these back. Going to take our red headlight wire and red controller wire, put those two together, but wait, we're not done. Then we are going to take our third one here. We're going to twist all of them together. Once we have those twisted together, we're going to slide them in like so. Crimp it. Perfect. So that is all of our power, and then the power side is going to go into there. And we are going to do the same thing with our ground. So go ahead and twist them. Beautiful. Now that all that is taken care of, all we have to do now is just put this guy into our power side. All right, that should all be good now. It's the same thing with this guy. Let's go ahead and peel these extras off. Actually, we're just gonna go ahead and do this, and then I'll see you guys as we're about to mount everything. All right, you guys, just got everything together. All we gotta do is just torque this baby down, and we should be all set. All right, let's back this baby out and see how it looks. The keys would help. Oh baby, this looks beautiful. All right, that is going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, you know where to leave it down in the comment box below. Also, best way to contact me, follow me on social media at Instagram at Brandon Chin. Thank you guys, I'll see you next time.